Bonjour tout le monde! Hello everybody! Salut! Hi! Bienvenue! Welcome to French with Mr. Innes. Ça va? Are you ça va très bien? Ça va bien? Comme si comme ça va mal ou ça va très mal. Moi, ça va très bien parce que il y a du soleil. Bienvenue! Welcome to another challenge video where I set you guys a challenge based off one or two of the videos we've done in 40 days of French basics, and you get the opportunity to tweet your work with an adult's help and permission to the hashtag French with Mr. Innes, and I'll do my best to get back to you from my account at French Mr. Innes. Now you might remember back in day 22 we learnt all about French cities. We learnt Bordeaux, Chamonix, Lyon, Nice, and Paris. My challenge for you guys is to design a poster, either on paper or on the computer, based off one of our French cities, and even give me a fun French fact of the day about your city. It might look something like this. Chamonix sits at the northern foot of the French Alps. In this picture you can, see how close it is to Le Mont Blanc. It is very famous for its skiing and hosted the Winter Olympics in 1924. In fact, il y a 2 ans, 2 years ago, my dad and I did a big walk starting in Chamonix and walking for 10 days across into Italy, then Switzerland and back into France around Le Mont Blanc. And you can see the t-shirt I'm wearing says Chamonix Mont Blanc. So bonne chance with your posters, and I can't wait to see some of your fantastic pieces of work with the hashtag French with Mr. Innes. But for now, à bientôt and au revoir!